Don't let yesterday use up too much of today. It is better to have less thunder in the mouth and more lightning in the hand. Tell me and I forget. Show me and I may not remember. Involve me and I will understand. If you talk to the animals, they will talk with you, and you will know each other. If you do not talk to them, you will not know them, and what you do not know, you will fear. What one fears, one destroys. It is less of a problem to be poor than to be dishonest. Humankind has not woven the web of life. We are but one thread within it. Whatever we do to the web, we do to ourselves. All things are bound together. All things connect. If you see no reason for giving thanks, the fault lies in yourself. When you know who you are, your mission is clear, and you burn with the inner fire of unbreakable will. No cold can touch your heart, no deluge can dampen your purpose. You know that you are alive. The frog does not drink up the pond in which he lives. If we wonder often, the gift of knowledge will come. What is life? It is the flash of a firefly in the night. It is the breath of a buffalo in the winter-time. It is the little shadow which runs across the grass and loses itself in the sunset. Each person is his own judge. Man's law changes with his understanding of man. Only the laws of the Spirit remain always the same. Listen, or your tongue will make you deaf. When we show our respect for other living things, they respond with respect for us. There is no death, only a change of worlds. So long as mists envelop you, be still. Be still until the sunlight pours through and dispels the mists, as it surely will. Then act with courage. It is easy to be brave from a distance. I have seen that in any great undertaking, it is not enough for a man to depend simply upon himself. When a man moves away from nature, his heart becomes hard. Seek wisdom, not knowledge. Knowledge is of the past. Wisdom is of the future. A brave man dies once, a coward many times. The bird who has eaten cannot fly with the bird that is hungry. Take only what you need and leave the land as you found it. Beware of the man who does not talk and the dog that does not bark.